Alright guys, this is just a quick tip on how to put the clips in on your Sorbo channels. I see a lot of guys comment, or gals comment, about it's hard for them to get the clips in with the rubber. And I agree, when I first started using Sorbo channels, it was very frustrating because if you don't get them in smoothly, it will create a elevated rubber, I would say, in the sides, which will create a streak. So it's very aggravating because they're great channels. And if you get the clip in right, it will work perfectly. So first thing that I do is I will just put it in my bucket, get them wet, of course. So I've already done that with both of these channels. So this goes for like all the Sorbo channels, the Quicksilver, the Cobra, and the Black Mamba. The Black Mamba is pretty much the same as Quicksilver, it just doesn't have that angled end. So as I pull them out here, I use this one a little bit. I've been using the Cobras recently. So I got that rubber out, right? So put the kit in here. So we get the rubber, put it back in. So what I'll do is I'll take my soap and just put a little dot there of soap, right? And then we're gonna go, usually if you had the Sorbo rubber, you would be on the two middle ones there, but with this one, I have a little bit different rubber, and you'll see it just slide right in. And if you guys know, if you guys use Sorbo channels, if you try to do that to your nails and you don't have something that's like making it smooth, you'll bend back your nail. So once again there, right? Put the soap there. And the clip goes in easily. You could also use like a putty knife if you need to. So same thing with the Cobra channel. Cobra channel only has one clip. So I do the same thing there. I'm not going to take this one out. So the Cobra has one end that will stay tight all by itself. Then it has the one end that's not. So on that plastic part underneath there, or if you had the regular Sorbo rubber, you'd put it there. Put a little dot of soap, and sometimes you can just hold it there to keep the rubber from going anywhere. And boom, it's in. That's it. That's just a quick tip on Sorbo channels of how to get your clips in. If you have any questions, comment below, subscribe and like, and we'll see you guys later. Peace.